Zoe Kravitz is a famous talented American actress. She is known for her role in films like Dіvеrgеnt and its sequels Allеgіant and інձургеnt, Віг Lіttlе Lіеझ and many others. Being born into a family of stars, her father being a musician and mother actress may have played a big role in the inspiration of Zoe's career. Early life and biography. Zoe Kravitz was born to famous actress Līza Vonnet and musician Lennු Kravītz in Venìse Lоẓ Angeleẓ, California. She is of an African American descent because both her father and mother are half African American. Her extended family identifies as a jazz, but Zoe identifies herself as a Зеquelľza. Zoe's parents divorced when she was just 5 years old in 1993. She therefore lived with her mother in Topanga Canyon. But at the age of 11 years, she moved to Miami to stay with her father. She has two half younger siblings, Lola Lolani Momemo, half sister, and Nikau Wolf Menkapu Minkahwa Mioma, step brother. Zoe went to Miami Country Day School and then went to Rudolph Steiner School, where she graduated from in 2007. She then went to the University of New York at a Purchase, where she started studying acting. After a year, she left college and moved to Brooklyn so that she can work in film. Throughout high school, she struggled with bulimia and anorexia until the age of 24. Personal life. Kravitz is said to have been in a number of relationships before engaging to now husband Carl Guzman and finally getting married in Paris, France on 29 June 2019. Age, height and being born on 1st December 1988, Zoe Kravitz is 33 years old as of today's date, 7th March 2022. Her height is 1.57 meter tall and her weight is 51 kg. Zoe's career kick started when she played as a babysitter in a romantic comedy, No Reservation, in 2007, while still in high school. The same year, she also appeared in an acting film, The Bravo One. In 2008, she appeared in a Jay-Z music video called I Now in support of Barack Obama's presidential candidacy. She also appeared on other family drama Birds of America and association of a high school president the same year. In 2009, she also appeared in The Greatest. It is kind of a funny story 12 and is starring in a romantic comedy Beware the Gonzo. Awards and achievements. Zoi Kravitz's main achievement is being a successful actress, singer and model. She has also been nominated for various awards over the years. In 2011, she was nominated in 3 different awards, which were Black Reel Award, Scream Awards, and Teen Choice Awards. In various categories for her role in the films. It is Kinda Funny Story and X-Men, though she did not win in any. Net worth and salary. As of March 2022, Zoi Kravitz's net worth is estimated to be approximately $10 million. Most of her earnings are from her acting career over the years. She has starred in a big films like Dіvеrgеnt, Vіg Lіttlе Lіeझ, and The Mad Max Fury among others. Apart from acting, she is also a model and a singer. She has been featured in various music. She is also done brand endorsements for brands and designers like Alexander Wang Fragrances in 2010. Vera Wang Propi Princess Fragrance and other thus her net worth.
Pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing